today's session, we would be working out a numerical on how to prepare petty cash book, and specifically, we will be learning how to prepare a simple petty cash book. Simple petty cash book, we've seen that there are two types of petty cash book. You have simple and then you have columnar. Simple petty cash book is very easy to maintain, and here all the transactions gets recorded in one single column. And here goes the transaction. Enter the following transactions in the simple petty cash book of Mr. XYZ for July 2020, and then again they've given you 8 transactions, and let's go about preparing these 8 transactions into the simple petty cash book for Mr. XYZ. Okay, dear students, now we've got the format of the simple petty cash book over here. And remember, we are preparing this for Mr. XYZ. And you have to also remember this simple petty cash book would be maintained by Mr. XYZ's petty cashier. Now, I'll just quickly explain the format to you. These 3 columns are referred to as the debit side, and the remaining are referred to as the credit side. Now here, the beauty of this simple petty cash book format is date and particulars. Date and particulars. These 2 columns are common for both debit side as well as for credit side. I'll repeat that. Date and particulars column. These 2 columns are common for both for the debit side as well as the credit side. So these 2 columns you will be using commonly for these 2 sides. Okay, you'll be using these 2 columns for recording the amounts transactions for debit side as well as for the credit side. Okay, now here let us start off preparing. The first transaction goes as amount received from chief cashier. So one very important thing that you have to remember here is petty cash book is real in nature. Golden rule for real account tells you debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So here, July 1st to cash. Okay. Now, why is it to cash? Because on 1st of July, you're receiving cash from the chief cashier. The petty cashier is receiving cash from the chief cashier, and the amount is 2,000. So that gets recorded in the amount received column. Okay, that gets recorded in the amount received column. And the made cash book will have a page number. That page number would be recorded in this column. So CB means cash book folio. Okay, cash book folio. VN stands for voucher number. LF stands for ledger folio. So you have recorded here as 2,000. Then 2nd of July 2nd, buy stationery, amount is 15. Okay, amount is 15. July 3rd, now why is it buy? Because cash is going out. Golden rule tells you debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Bought stamps. So buy stamps 20. Paid for cleaning expenses. July 4th, buy cleaning expenses 50. July 5th. Okay. July 5th, the transaction tells us paid for bus tickets. So buy bus tickets, and the amount is 25. Then July 6th, buy food 60 rupees. July 7th, buy magazine 20 rupees. July 8th, Buy drinking water 60 rupees. So with that, we've completed. Okay, so we've completed entering, and if you notice, it was very simple entry. Now what we have to do is we have to total up all this, and just like any other account, we will have to balance. Okay, but when you're balancing, one thing that you have to remember is debit side is 2000, so which means credit side should also be 2000. Okay, it should also be 2000. But will it be 2000? We will have to total up and then see for ourselves. So here, this will be so I think the total is 250. Then someone just quickly confirm the total. Okay, so the total is 250. Okay, so which means if you have to make credit side also 2000, you need to bring in balancing figure, and the balancing figure is 1750. Now, how did I get 1750? Because when I added up all my expenses came up to a total of 250. 250 from 250, if I have to make it 2000, I have to bring in another 1750. So what is 1750? 1750 is my balancing figure. So July 31st by balance carried down, okay, and then August 1st to balance brought down 1750. So 1750. So this is how you would be going about preparing simple petty cash book. Okay? This is the manner with which we would be preparing simple petty cash book.